Welcome to the future of personal transportation. In 2024, electric unicycles have taken urban commuting by storm. Combining sleek design, eco-friendly features, and effortless mobility, these self-balancing marvels are transforming the way we navigate cities. Join us as we unveil the top 5 electric unicycles of 2024, showcasing cutting-edge technology, impressive battery life, and unrivaled convenience. Whether you are a thrill seeker, a daily commuter, or simply looking to ride the innovation wave, these electric unicycles are set to redefine your travel experience. Number 5. Kingsong S16. The Kingsong S16 stands out as an exceptional electric unicycle to offer riders an outstanding urban commuting and adventure companion. With a design focused on both performance and cost-effectiveness, this electric unicycle is poised to revolutionize personal transportation. Equipped with a robust 1480 watt-hour battery featuring advanced 21,700 battery cells, the Kingsong S16 offers an impressive range of 62 miles on a single charge. With a reasonable 5-hour charging time, users can swiftly get back on the road. The 2,800 watts rated power hollow motor, capable of peaking at 4,500 watts, empowers the S16 to attain a top speed of 31 miles per hour, all while accommodating a maximum load of 120 kilograms. The Kingsong S16 does not compromise on comfort either. Its 80mm suspension travel and 750-pound spring suspension ensure a smooth and controlled ride, even over rough terrains. While the 16-inch all-terrain tire, non-slip pedals, and high-strength handle guarantee stability and ease of use, the addition of speakers and 3D immersive sound effects enhances the riding experience. Incorporating modern technology, the S16 features a smart and vibrant display consisting of 148 pieces LED lamp beads. This display not only provides crucial riding information but also offers integrated taillights, turn signals, and bright brake taillights, contributing to rider safety. Perhaps most remarkably, the Kingsong S16 comes at an affordable price point of $2,499, making it an accessible choice for a wide range of riders. With its blend of performance, innovation, and affordability, the Kingsong S16 sets a new standard in the world of electric unicycles. Number 4. Kingsong S19. The Kingsong S19 stands as a remarkable testament to the fusion of cutting-edge technology and sleek design in the realm of electric unicycles. Boasting a robust frame and a distinctive aesthetic, the S19 is set to redefine urban commuting and leisure riding. At the heart of this marvel lies its hollow brushless 3,500 watts motor, delivering a comfortable yet impressive power output tailored for its 18 stature. With a top speed of 37 miles per hour, the S19 ensures an exhilarating ride for enthusiasts and commuters alike. This process is underpinned by a lithium-ion 100 volts 17.7 ampere-hour 1776 watt-hour battery, offering a range of up to 95 miles on a single charge. The S19's inflatable 18 by 3-inch tire provides a smooth ride, complemented by a practical and ultra-strong carrying handle that adds to its portability. The integration of a 20 watts tweeter unit and a 10 watts bass unit provides an unparalleled audio experience. Crafted for comfort and support, the S19 features wide, perforated, non-slip pedals that enhance stability during rides. Convenience is elevated with dual charging ports, including USB-A and USB-C options, catering to both the unicycle and your smartphone charging needs. Safety is paramount, and the Kingsong S19 takes this seriously. It illuminates the night with automatic 5 watts 6 LED front headlights, penetrating rear lights, brake lights, and turn signals, a luminous blade cutting through the dark. In the world of electric unicycles, the Kingsong S19 shines not only in its features but also in its price point, retailing at $2,899. It embodies the convergence of power, style, and innovation, inviting riders to embark on a journey where technology meets mobility. Number 3. Inmotion V12 HD. Revolutionizing the world of electric unicycles, the Inmotion V12 HD emerges as a pinnacle of power, performance, and cutting-edge features. Designed to offer an exhilarating riding experience, the V12 HD is a true marvel of engineering. Fueling this powerhouse is a 1750 watt-hour 100 volts battery, providing a staggering maximum range of 100 miles on a single charge. while Inmotion is rewarded with a 9-hour charging time using the included stock charger. At its heart lies a robust 2,800 watts motor capable of sustained high output and even higher peak performance. With a top speed of 37 miles per hour and the ability to tackle slopes as steep as 45 degrees, the V12HD's 16 high-torque configuration ensures unmatched power delivery. The V12HD boasts a 16 by 3-inch off-road tire, enabling riders to conquer rough terrains with ease. Adjustable pedals and a weight of 308 pounds ensure ergonomic comfort for extended rides. Beyond its performance prowess, the V12HD offers an array of smart features. In-app statistics grant access to performance data and usage patterns, while the power delivery system ensures efficient heat dissipation. The enhanced drive board and smart BMS contribute to a seamless riding experience, while Ingress Protection X5 water resistance ensures durability against the elements. Entertainment meets functionality with the built-in display screen showing all activities and Bluetooth speakers, adding a new dimension to the ride. The lighting system is a work of art, with customizable RGB lighting and brake light functionality, enhancing both safety and aesthetics. With a price tag of $2,199, the Inmotion V12HT delivers a true masterpiece for thrill seekers and tech enthusiasts alike. It is not just an electric unicycle, it is a journey into the future of personal transportation. Number 2. Inmotion B13 Challenger. The Inmotion B13 Challenger stands as a remarkable testament to innovation in the realm of electric unicycles. Powering this unicycle is a robust 4,500 watts motor with a peak power of 10,000 watts, allowing for exhilarating speeds of up to 56 miles per hour and a torque of 300 Newton-meter. The vehicle's prowess is further enhanced by an innovative redundant Hall sensor system, ensuring precise and reliable performance. Equipped with a smart battery management system, the V13 Challenger boasts a swift charging time of just 3 hours with dual 5-ampere chargers. The substantial battery life offers a range of 90 miles. The unicycle's allure is not just in its performance, but also in its comfort. The upgraded suspension system with independent air shocks and dampers on each side ensures a smooth ride, even on challenging terrains with a maximum slope of 45 degrees. The V13 Challenger offers an intelligent speed alarm system, adjustable pedals, and an array of features accessible at the touch of a button. Its waterproof rating of Ingress Protection X5 guarantees durability in various weather conditions. For those seeking the pinnacle of electric unicycles, the Inmotion B13 Challenger is available at $3,999. It is not just a ride, it is a technological marvel that opens the door to unparalleled adventures. Number 1. Inmotion Adventure V14. For adrenaline seekers and off-road enthusiasts, the Inmotion Adventure V14 emerges as the ultimate thrill seeker's companion. Engineered with the wilderness in mind, the V14's robust design caters to the most daring adventurers. The heart of the V14 lies in its impressive motor specifications, with a staggering 4,000 watts rated power that can surge up to a peak of 9,000 watts, coupled with a commanding 850 Newton-meter torque. This beast reaches a top speed of 68 miles per hour. What sets the V14 apart is its innovative double suspension system, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride on even the harshest landscapes. Suspension sliders flanking the sides and a coil suspension at the rear absorb shocks effortlessly. The V14 continues Inmotion's tradition of equipping its vehicles with cutting-edge technology. Employing a Raptor controller akin to the V13 Challenger, the V14 provides precise control over the immense power it offers. The 16-inch tire, complemented by its insane 50-degree climbing capacity, enables the V14 to scale heights that were once thought impossible. Embracing the digital age, the V14 seamlessly integrates with iOS and Android through its mobile app, granting users real-time data and control over their ride. With a dazzlingly powerful headlight illuminating the path ahead, nighttime adventures become as captivating as daytime exploits. To make this off-road dream yours, Inmotion is currently accepting pre-orders with a deposit of $545. Unleash your spirit of adventure with the V14, where power, style, and performance converge to redefine off-road exploration. You will find links to all products in the descriptions below. Please feel free to visit. Thank you for exploring the top 5 electric unicycles of 2024. Embrace the future of personal transportation with this cutting-edge device, combining innovation, convenience, and excitement in one-wheel wonders. If you enjoy and like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.